Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today, we're sharing 7 incredible home hacks that will make your life easier and your home more efficient. From natural air fresheners to clever cleaning tricks, these hacks are simple, budget-friendly, and game-changing. Let's dive in. 1. DIY Essential Oil Diffuser. Let's start with a natural way to freshen your home. Step 1. Fill a small bowl with water. Step 2. Add 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Step 3. Place the bowl on a radiator or near a heat source. The heat will help disperse the scent throughout the room, creating a natural, chemical-free air freshener. Pro tip: try lavender for relaxation or citrus for an energy boost. 2. Use a potato to remove broken light bulbs. Ever had a light bulb break in the socket? Here's a safe way to remove it. Step 1. Cut a potato in half. Step 2. Press the cut side into the broken glass. Step 3. Carefully turn the potato counterclockwise to unscrew the bulb. The potato provides a safe grip and protects your hands from the glass. Remember to turn off the power before attempting this. 3. Cereal box drawer dividers. Organize your drawers with this simple upcycling hack. Step 1. Collect empty cereal boxes. Step 2. Cut the boxes into rectangles of desired size. Step 3. Cover with decorative paper or paint if desired. Step 4. Place in drawers to separate utensils or office supplies. This hack is perfect for keeping small items organized and easy to find. Create a natural air purifier with these amazing plants. Step 1. Choose air purifying plants like spider plants, peace lilies, or snake plants. Step 2. Place them strategically around your home, focusing on areas with poor air circulation. Step 3. Ensure proper care, the right amount of light and water. These plants naturally filter toxins from the air, improving your indoor air quality. And hey, as a bonus, they also add a beautiful touch of greenery to your decor. Use a tension rod for spray bottles. Maximize under-sink storage with this clever hack. Step 1. Measure the width under your sink. Step 2. Install a tension rod at the right height. Step 3. Hang cleaning bottles by their spray nozzles. This trick saves space and makes cleaning supplies easily accessible. Pro tip: use different colored bottles for easy identification. DIY carpet cleaner with baking soda. Refresh your carpets naturally with this DIY cleaner. Step 1. Mix 1 cup of baking soda with 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Step 2. Sprinkle the mixture evenly over your carpet. Step 3. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Step 4. Vacuum thoroughly. Your carpets will smell fresh and look revitalized. Use old gift cards for scraping. Don't throw away those old gift cards. They're perfect for scraping. Use them to remove ice from windshields in winter. They're great for scraping off stubborn labels or stickers. You can even use them to spread spackle when doing minor wall repairs. This hack saves you money and reduces plastic waste. There you have it, 7 genius home hacks that will make your life easier and your home more efficient. Which one are you excited to try first? If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching and happy hacking.